Familiarize yourself with the 2012 Chevrolet Avalanche. Under the hood, you'll find an 8-cylinder engine with more than 300 horsepower, and load-leveling rear suspension maintains a comfortable ride. Top features include remote keyless entry, heated steering wheel, a tonneau cover, and power front seats. Power adjustable pedals allow the driver to optimize his or her driving position, enhancing visibility, comfort, and safety. Backseat passengers will appreciate the rear audio controls, allowing them to make easy adjustments to the stereo system. Premium sound drives 8 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Safety and maximum capability are assured via self-leveling rear suspension, which maintains optimal driving geometry. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.